Hello guys, welcome to Yoski Bay Palace. How are you all doing? Today we have a bigger surprise on my palace. I want to show you guys how easy you can take off the glass of your oven when you want to do a thoroughly washing. What I do, I soak the oven overnight because I grilled fish. So I soaked it overnight and to allow all the bonds go easily. So now I'm taking out all the ions. Very easy. My oven, I've been using the oven for the past 6 years. I do wash it all time. I don't like seeing those rotten particles inside the oven. So you can see the way I'm scrubbing the various parts to take away the dirty. I'll change a lot of water, and I'm using this, what they call it, I'm going to be dropping the name below so you can get it in any shop wherever you are staying. Very easy. Now I've taken up the first glass. What you need to do, you have to pull both sides. There is a knot in between the head of the oval. There is a knot. You press both sides, you pull the first one out. Once you pull the first one out, you take it aside and you pull the second one out. It's about 3 glasses, so that is the third one that comes with the door. So I'm very conscious of washing it because I don't want the glass to get broken. Very easy way you can take care of your oval. Follow the video to the end. Drop your comment and also share the video to your family, to your friends, to your loved ones. Thank you. Keep watching. Don't go away. Done washing our oval. Done washing. Shining, shining, shining. See the outcome. Sparkling. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to drop a nice comment on this video. This is how I take care of my oval. Very easy. At the first step, before you take off your glass, let me tell you, you push this particular thing down. You see it, you push it, then you press both side here to open the glass. You press here, you press here, both sides at the same time. Then you pull off this one out. Then you take the glass out gently. Don't be fast on it. If not, it's going to get broken. You know what I mean. So the oval is washed and kept clean now. Yeah. So good to go.